The Philippines have a tropical maritime climate, meaning the weather is generally hot and quite humid. The region really only experiences 3 seasons: a hot, dry summer before March and May, known as Tag-Init, a wet season between June and November, known as Tag-Ulan, and a colder, dry season between December and February, known as Tag-Lamig. This is the Filipino way of celebrating summer. Buckle up, because you're going to see how Filipinos spend summer the funky way. Taking the top spot is everyone's favorite summertime activity, going to the beach. In a tropical country like the Philippines, locals and tourists alike like to cool down by having the waves on their backs and sand in between their toes. With 7,641 islands to explore, one can never run out of beaches to go to this summer in the Philippines. Summer in the Philippines is a total treat. Malls get packed with window shoppers who flock to the nearest air-conditioned building to get relief from the blazing heat of the sun. The Filipino setting during summer is like a survival cave. Eat cold, refreshing, yummy treats or be eaten by the gnawing heat of the sun. Filipino food itself is a celebration of culture and heritage. The summer season alone provides an opportunity for Filipinos to exhaust their creativity and resourcefulness in preparing summer food. There's the popular halo-halo, for example. Every Filipino craves that mouth-watering dessert every time the temperature increases. There are also other Filipino classics like sago gulaman, sorbets, ice candy, and ice crumble, just to name a few. Not everyone can afford to go to outings, so there are a lot of families that opt for an improvised solution: inflatable pools or bacha. It may not have a water slide or floaters, but to many Filipinos, it does the trick. The electric bill usually soars mid-year since air conditioners are in full blast. So many innovative Filipinos have opted for a cheaper solution. The age-old technique of placing a bowl of ice in front of the electric fan for cooler air is very common practice come mid-year. Holy Week is also part of the summer season,